Hey everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan Best. I'm with
DIY.
and we just finished up the trade show, right? The hardware show that we were at, and we're in Las Vegas. We're just about to drive home, and we found that we had a nail in the tire of the truck, so we can't drive all the way back to California with the nail stuck. So we went to the auto parts and got a plug to plug the tire. We did that. Sorry, we didn't get to do a video on that because we were in such a hurry trying to get home. Anyhow, Aidan had this great idea to get
The heavy duty hand soap by Grip Clean.
because my hands are dirty from the tire, having to fill up the air and to plug this. So we're gonna give it a shot. So can you hold the napkins? Put this here. That's how it works. I don't know if you're supposed to do it with water or not. The guy said there's dirt in this. See, and then you just. So with no water, I'm gonna give this a shot. If not, I'm gonna have to. You know, why don't you go ahead and do that? Get us some water. Get me some water.
I'll be back.
Yeah. Not my flask, the other bottle of water. Yeah, it's gonna need water. So I could fill the.
It's our sponsor. Just kidding.
Yeah. So we're gonna use some high quality water, just a little bit at a time. So okay, let's. Okay, so some Fiji water. Oh, it soaks up really good. Look at that. Okay, rinse it off. Again. All right. Look at that. Sparkling clean. Good job, guys.
Wow.
That was a awesome. Oh, I lost my towel. You're taller than that. So I would have to give that product a thumbs up. Okay, we're gonna give it a shot on some other products, but these towels aren't that great. But see my hand, it's completely clean. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Take care and God bless.
Don't forget check out these guys' website. Heavy duty hand soap
What's the name of the
by
website?
Grip Clean.
Okay.
Grip Clean.
Let's show the product. He's trying to do that. Huh?
Yeah. GripClean.com. Do not forget to check them out.
Be sure check out in the description. We'll include the link to Grip Clean's website there. Okay, guys, and wherever else you can buy it, maybe on Amazon. Okay. Take care and God bless.
Catch you guys next time. Bye.
See ya.